Wait a minute. Everyone else has already posted their unboxings of the OnePlus Ace Extreme Edition, so why did I only get mine today? What's the deal, OnePlus? Oh, I see. It's because we got the full set of gear, right? Here's that familiar bright red box packaging.
This phone case, wow, such a huge ace. This hints at the back panel's texture, which you've all seen, but OnePlus always provides pretty good cases. Gaming, 3-star, OnePlus Madpool Gaming Core, 165Hz ultra-fast high refresh rate. I'm just gonna quickly peel off the film. Let's look at the back panel. They've used a new process on the back, and this process makes it feel like your back panel has an ambient light, giving it a strong gaming vibe. The camera interface here still has that metal imitating design. It's OnePlus's family design language, quite simple. The side features a metal right angle frame, and here's the AI button. Let's continue. Please welcome our special guest, the OnePlus gaming trigger. Oh, their so-called handheld console must be designed to be used with this. They're both red. Honestly, these official accessories really have that classic OnePlus color scheme, and the build quality is actually quite nice. Plus, this matte finish and texture make it very resistant to sweat, so even if your hands get sweaty, it won't slip out of your grip. You really have to admit that these official products just look so well made, and I personally think this specific color looks very premium and high-end. And this part here is matte. It prevents sweaty hands, because our hands get slippery when we sweat. And when you're playing games, especially when you're nervous, you sweat even more easily. This is really good. The button feedback is great, and it connects via a C port. Did you see that? It should just snap on like this if I put the phone right on top, right? Oh, there's a method to this. I remember they also gave a cooling fan. A OnePlus 40-watt Super Freeze magnetic cooler. But wait, this phone has no magnetic pull. Where would it attach? I'll open it up and take a look first. I have a bold idea. See, I told you I don't need to read the manual. Hey, why won't it stick? Shouldn't it stick here?
Oh, I see.
Oh, see, I told you so. I am way too smart to need to read through this instruction manual. And finally, there's one last thing here. These are the OnePlus Buds Ace 3. It feels like I am opening a whole bundle. This color scheme actually looks quite nice. It has a matte texture. These are in-ear buds. Just look at this unique shape. I cannot really say much more about them because after all, it is not like I am the one hosting the launch event today. Just take a moment to feel the bezel width of this front screen. It's genuinely a situation where technology falls short and hardware has to compensate. And I really must mention, OnePlus, when you're playing these FPS games, offers both a high refresh rate and powerful hardware, plus some fantastic software optimization, which has made me intensely interested in this Ace 6 Ultimate Edition once again.